Hi, welcome to math time. It's the problem of the day, so let's get started. All right, guys, our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. All right, let's go to our problem of the day for today. I notice I'm a little off. I'm just going to move it over there a little bit and move myself up. Here we go. All right, so here's a problem of the day today. Remember, it's always important that we show our work. And our learning target is I can use problem-solving strategies to solve the problem. So we have some new math at the top, which is subtracting mixed numbers. Now you might think, I don't know how to do this, Mrs. Obitz. Well, don't worry. Try your best, give it a go, and then we will talk about it together, okay? So don't you worry about it. And then we have some subtraction review because I have to tell you, I've done some checking in every now and again on the students, and something that should be really solid is our addition and subtraction at this point. And sometimes we still forget and we make mistakes. So we are going to be working on subtraction as a review today. All right, so I'm going to have you pause it, and I'd like you to figure out these problems of the day. Remember, it's always important to have a piece of paper and a pencil with you so you can work on this. Remember, just doing math in our head is not very effective. We do need to think of all the different ways to solve problems, like visually, symbolically, verbally, contextually, and physically. So please don't just do it in your head, because that's not explaining your thinking, which is why we say math talk is necessary. Okay, so I'm going to pause it and I'm going to have you get to work. See you in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm back. It's time to figure out our problems of the day. Okay, so first we have subtracting mixed numbers. Now mixed numbers are when we have whole numbers mixed with fractions, okay? So you can see I have 5 and 2 6 minus 4 and 4 6. Okay, so what is making it a little bit easier for us is that the denominator is both sixths. But you can't take 4 away from 2. So we can't just do 5 and 2 6 minus 4 and 4 6 and just be done. It's not like we can't just do that. So what we're going to have to do is something a little bit trickier, okay? We're going to have to actually take this 5 and turn it into a 4. And then what we do is we turn this 2, we add a whole sixth to it, because we know that 6 sixths is one whole. So basically what we do for this one is add 6 plus 2 and we get 8. So we turned 5 and 2 sixths into 4 and 8 sixths. So now you can see we have 4 wholes minus 4 wholes. So we know there won't be a whole number. So then all we need to do is say 8 sixths minus 4 sixths. And you always keep the denominator the same when we're subtracting by the same denominator. So it's basically 8 minus 4. Let's see if I can type here for a minute. Hey guys, I'm back again. Sorry, I was having a little technical difficulties, which I know you're not surprised with. So just pretend I'm making a fraction here, and it's 4 sixths. I need to 4 sixths will be the new answer, because 8 minus 4 is 4, and then we always keep the denominator the same once we have changed it. So the answer then is just 4 sixths. It's not even a whole number. If, for instance, this was larger, then we'd have a whole number and then a fraction as well to continue to make it a mixed number. All right, so the answer then is 4 sixths. And again, sorry about my little fraction line there. A little technical difficulty, what can I say? All right, guys, so now I'm ready. Let me just see if I can, well, I think that was a bad choice. Okay, so I'm going back. All right, guys, I'm just gonna scroll down a tinge here so I can get more of my screen. All right, so we have 476 minus 349. Now, when I am going to start subtracting. You know I can't take 9 away from 6 because that's a larger number. So I have to go next door and get 10 more. I'll be right back. All right, so I have my pen now. So I can't take 9 away from 6, so I have to go next door and get 10 more. So this 7 is going to really become a 6. And then this 6 will become 16 because I took a 10 away and moved it back to the ones place. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Then 6 minus 4 is 2. And then 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is 127. Okay, so next, moving on, we have 1,298 minus 978. 8 minus 8 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. Uh-oh, now I'm running into an issue because I can't take 9 away from 2. So I have to go next door and get 10 more. So that's going to be 0, and this is going to now be 12. So 12 minus 9 is 3. So the answer is 320 on this one. My last one is 754 minus 99. Again, yikes, I can't take 9 away from 4, so I have to go next door and get 10 more. All right, so then my 5 becomes a 4. Oops, let me just move myself up a little bit. There's 4, and this 4 now becomes 14. Oop, that's kind of a crazy 4. Okay, 14. So 14 minus 9 is 5. And then 9 minus 4. Oh, or pardon me, 4 minus 9. Ooh, no, I cannot do that again. Go next door and get 10 more. So then this becomes a 6, because I'm making that 7 into a 6. And then I'm bringing 10 over. So it's 14 minus 9 again is 5. And then 6 minus 0 is 6. This one is actually really easy to check our work, because if we just go up one more, we could say 754 minus 100, and that would be 654, and then we just add the 1 back. So that's 655. All right, guys, I hope you've been successful with our problem of the day, and I hope you have a terrific day. Bye.